shit. I get my weed from California, that's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah, badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah, yeah, that's it. And I see you, the way I breathe you in, it's the texture of your skin. I wanna wrap my arms around you, baby, never let you go. And I see you, it's nothing like your touch. It's the way you lift me up, yeah. And I'll be right here with you till I got my features out in Georgia. Oh yeah, shit. I get my weed from California, that's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah, badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah, yeah, that's it. Yeah, shit.
Welcome to a new vlog. I went to town. I bought a couple of things. Others I already used. I didn't show you guys. I bought this body scrub. Also bought this lip gloss. Also needed powder. I wanted this white one because it's a setting powder, so you can set under the eyes. And treated some things. Let me show you. First on the list is this dress that I saw downstairs. This is a shop that sells some nice clothes down there, and because I have an event tomorrow, I said why not go and try it out. It kind of has some detail here which is not suiting my body so well, right? And I need to clean it, but it's really so nice. I like the details of the hands, wide hand, really beautiful. I like the fact that it's like a corset and this top right here, it looks so nice, so it snatches your body this part. Siko sure come to because this is really so big. This is really so big, but you can wear it like this or like an off shoulder. You guys, Aki, you're not ready. The color is beautiful. This magenta, is it peach? I don't know, but the color is so feminine. OMG, I like it. This one, I really like this one so much. Also got this top, thrifted of course. So beautiful. It's like a bodysuit, but an off-shoulder one. Hey, I'm in that era right now. It's so beautiful, guys. As in, akidika supu. I want to buy this spandex. I love the color. It's so beautiful. I love the waist. Like, it's really small, so it's nice for my body. Also, I did a lot of cleaning, and these mats are not so clean. And guys, this ones for the kitchen mats are so nice because akini rubber, so it's really so nice. The color is beautiful. I like the design. Also washed the one for the bathroom area, and this one doing some deep cleaning of the house. Let me panga the shoes because nisha panga nguo asubuhi. See you guys later as I go to the mall to do my shopping. Yeah. Good morning. Today is on Monday. The last time I saw you guys was Kitambo. A lot has happened, guys. So the last time we were together, I went to the supermarket to the mall to buy shopping, right? I think I told you guys about it. But guys, guess during that's the actual process of filming and stuff. I was actually holding my phone visually, and then guys, my phone fell. But then niliamka na the side, yeah, the screen. And guys, it didn't even fall like you at nasikia your heart is beating and stuff. Like guys, it didn't fall like that. You just like a minor fall like this. And then just like that, guys, the phone ikaribika. Like it was literally blinking green, like those lines, the flickering greens, you know, it's flickering, but they're lines. Guys, let me tell you guys, I cried. Guys. I think I'm dramatic, but guys, I cried for like the whole night. The entire night. Guys, I can't with this anymore. I just can't with this anymore. I just cried. If I filmed this, guys, that part where I was crying, you guys could have cancelled me because I was crying like a baby. Like machozi uncontrollable. My eyes were bulging out. I was literally crying like rivers, guys. If I was an actress at that particular point, the whole world could have just said, you know, I don't know, like this thing hurts me so much. And I know you guys might be like, it's just a phone, you're gonna replace the screen. No, it's just not a phone. It's my dream phone. I've wanted to buy this phone for the longest time. This 11 Pro Max, guys, 256 GB to be very precise. Yeah, I wanted it in white, but then I got it in gold because that was the easiest color for me to get that was there at the store. And guys, not even about that, the phone. Also, guys, I saved for this phone for over a whole year. Guys, you know, I bought it during my campus days where I was struggling financially, like, hey, Sana. And then I managed to buy this phone to improve my quality. And then now the phone breaks within like 6-7 months. I was just like, it's too much for a girl like me. Like, guys, it was crazy. I think, and the worst part, they told me that replacing that screen would cost me 32,000. But still, guys, honey, that's a lot of freaking money. Like, they told me the minimum that I could pay was 25. But guys, it's a lot for a girl like me. Like, guys, I've been crying, but now I feel good. I feel like I've calmed down. This is a screen that was initially there. I just have it, I don't know, for whatever, but I still have it. Like, it's still nice, guys. I don't even see the problem with this thing. And then the funny part is that I also felt sick. I got hit on my body. I was coughing. I had a lot of chest pain. I was so hot. I was sneezing at the same time. Like, I was just feeling a lot of discomfort, guys. But God is good. I've been taking all these meds, guys. Like, all these meds inside here. It's just crazy. But I feel good. I'm so grateful to God. One thing my boyfriend reminded me was, God always does things for a reason. Like, you never know what reason this came in. Of course, I'm not even seeing the reason for this, but I know God had a reason, guys. Like, honestly, God had a reason. Today, Tungsten Electricals is coming to fix my shower because my shower iliharibika kitambo. Let me go and show you guys the situation of the shower, and then he fixes, and then I show you guys the after, yeah. And then later we can go for shopping now because this house is empty and my siblings are gonna be here. Guys, this is the before of the shower. My bathroom isn't the best. So guys, the shower has been fixed. This is the shower we have gone with. Very simple because my water is fresh water. There's no need of a pump and all those things to control, but this for me is more affordable. For me, it is very beautiful. Tungsten installed it properly. They put the thing so the wires are not outside anymore. Like, it's a bit more aesthetic. And also there's this part where you can control the temperatures, right? So beautiful, so thoughtful. It's really so beautiful. My bathroom is a whole hot mess, but I'm gonna like fix everything and then I show you how it's going to turn out. But the shower, guys, it's so beautiful. I recommend, guys. It's very affordable, 6K, and you have this. So beautiful, honestly. And even the installation, guys, it was so seamless. I really like it so much, guys. I like it. What do you think of this? Is it something that you could get for yourself and your house? I recommend changing the showers that you got at your landlord's to this kind of showers because they're more personalized and also they get the thing done better. Plus, we're talking about your shower, so it's a bit clogged. So get new showers, guys, and then you'll be moving with them everywhere you go, right? I like this one. I want to go and try that shower by Tungsten because, oh my lord, like the pressure is nice, guys. I want to try it, but first I wanted to show you what I got the day I went to fix my phone. So I got a couple of pairs. The first pair was this one. I'll actually try them out for you guys. This one. I love the material and they're so beautiful and cozy. This is the first set. It's white. I like it. I like the fact that it's a dress. So beautiful. For girls that we have like small bodies, we kind not get like beautiful clothes, but this is nice. And also it has like the flip part. It will so gorgeous, right? This is the black one. I have done a lot of cleaning. I'm not done even arranging things, but the shower is the it, guys, and I've washed literally everywhere. And then this area here, I was trying to make it my grooming area to be like a bit cuter, but this thing here feels very unaesthetic, guys, right? Like, what do you think? Because I'm not feeling it. And also nikitu inaanguka. You see, I've used a sellotape here. It's really not giving. This thing is not stable. If you have the tutorial of how to fix it, kindly send it on my way, because guys, it's not even mwisho. It's just very unaesthetic. I don't like it, but because I have it, I want to use it, make use of it, but it doesn't make sense. So I want to place this mat right here. The rest I've placed them well, and then the bucket inside.
I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in her.
Hey guys, we are at the supermarket. Finally, I came to do my shopping, but I'm still so anxious from what's happened last time. I'm just like, I don't remove my phone at all, guys. But I came with my big sissy to help me because I feel so anxious, to be very honest. But I'm almost done, but the supermarket is full today, unlike the other time, right? But we are almost done, actually. Is it cake is my cup? What? They look so pretty. They look so delicious.
I've been throw up the sex in her.
Oh my lord. Hey guys, good morning. Today is the next day. I'm getting ready to go to town to Maggie salon and nails by Maggie because guys, my nails are the ghetto, but they're really nice. They're good acrylics. They have lasted me long. I recommend them. To be very honest, I recommend them. Nimekuwa home, nimefanya a lot of work, guys. Believe me. But they look nice. Also, I feel better. I feel like I've healed. I feel like great, honestly. So Jana, my sister, and I, we went for shopping, and so these are the things we got. I don't know if I'm supposed to show you guys a haul. I don't know, because it's a lot of things. I don't know where to start. But this is basically the shopping and this other one, yeah. So I'm going to have my hair undone and do my pedicure and my manicure, and then later I'll have a meeting. Hopefully it goes well because the next couple of months or weeks are going to be a bit busy for me. But yeah, these are just basic stuff, guys. I don't feel like showing you guys a haul because I keep on showing you guys the haul. I know it's necessary because last time we shop alafu tukashia katikati. I should show you guys, but honestly, I don't have the energy and the time to show you guys anything. It's a lot. It's a lot. So you guys, let me see you guys later.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the light? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone.
Hi guys, good morning. Today is on Friday, yeah, actually. So the other day I went to smell at Sicily, guys, and I got this perfume. I've really been wanting this perfume for a long time. It's an Arabic perfume. It's called Latafa what? I don't know, something. I've not even unboxed it, guys. Literally, I've not even unboxed it yet, but I know it smells so nice. Normally these perfumes unaweza pata na 6500, 7,000 hapo, but I got it at a discount, and I got it instead of even the 6,000 they sell at 5,500. So I was like, you know what? Because I've not been celebrating any of my milestones so far. I've just been, I don't know, like a lot has been happening, so I've not been celebrating. I was like, let me gift myself this one. It just makes me so happy because I have several body mist, very affordable ones, right? But this one is one of the most expensive ones that I have, like perfumes now. It's Arabic. I really like it. I also, initially I was using this one. I also got it from them, so it's a bit more affordable. It actually smells so nice, very fruity. It's the Aura, and also I have some wigs here. I have this curly wig, yeah, and also have this bob wig. They're for a business I was trying to shoot some content for, but then the content we have to reshoot it. I also got this cut top the other day. It's like a crop top. It's really so feminine. I really like it. It's not even a crop top to me because look at all that length. But it's really nice, very cute. It's blue in color. I like it. And what else is here? Um, Oh, I have other pajamas. Okay, not necessarily. I don't have to show that to you guys. And then this is what I'm dressing in today. This top I showed you guys. Actually, it's a surprise that it fits me so well. It's a bodysuit. So cute, so feminine. I like it. I love that it's an off shoulder, but it's a bit big here. But it's nice. I thrifted it. It looks really so nice. Later, I was be seeing my boyfriend. Mautamu. Eh, my lord.